well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing the Lush Fresh and Flowers box for July, which is insane that we're already in July, to be quite honest with you, but it's also very hot today, so I do apologise if by the end of this video I have completely melted like an ice cream. But without further ado, we are going to dive in. I have my box here. Again, I've seen no spoilers, no sneak peeks. It does smell very good though, so I'm very excited to dive right in. So grab yourselves a drink and a snack and carry on watching. So this is what the inside of the box looks like this month. I am very, very excited to see a few more things other than just soap bars this month, because last month was just not my favourite. Not gonna lie, was not my fave. So I am excited. Is that a face mask? Okay, I need to stop. I need to dive in. I'm so excited. Let's go. So the first thing in the box are the flowers. I believe this is a lily and I have no idea what the orange one is, but it's very pretty. I love the flowers. I always keep them in a vase on my bedside table, but they're covered in something, so I'm just gonna pop those down. And now we're gonna dive into the items. It looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things in this month's box, so let's dive. I'm so excited. So the first thing we have in the box, apart from the flowers, is this. This is a bubble bar, and this is the Botanimancy. I don't think that's how you pronounce it, guys. Botanimancy bubble bar. And ingredients wise, it has got cream of tartar, patchouli, pimento berry oil, petitgrain oil, sandalwood oil, celery seed oil, ginger oil, dried rose petals, I cannot speak English today, and hemp seed oil. Let's give it a smell and see what it smells like. I feel like it's going to smell like a garden. It's not my vibe. Actually, well, it does smell very gardeny. I'm not gonna lie, it's definitely up there on the garden smells, but it's not terrible. Like, I'm still gonna use it, but if I was to smell it in the shop, I probably wouldn't buy it. Do you know what I mean? It's a very like woodsy, earthy, sort of spicy kind of smell, but yeah, that's a bubble bar. A bubble bar. I can't speak English today, honestly. It does concern me what colour the water would go with green and pink. I feel like it would just go green, but yeah, I'm excited to use it. Not my favourite smell, but still better than having 5 soaps. So let's move on and grab something else. The next item we have is this, and I believe this is the Dakin. I think I need to learn to read again, because I don't think that's how you pronounce it. But this is a naked deodorant, and this has cornstarch, almond oil, Dakin radish juice, is that how you pronounce it? Organic shea butter, tarragon oil, spearmint oil, sandalwood oil, neroli oil. Ooh, it smells, it's hard to describe it. Very fresh, very light, clean. It smells really good. I will say though, it is melting my fingers. I think it's probably because it's about 25 degrees outside, which is not ideal to be filming YouTube videos under lights, because I'm absolutely melting. But anyway, it smells really good, just really light, really gentle. I'm excited to use it. I was saying literally a few hours ago that I needed to get a natural deodorant, so very excited about that. The next item in the box is a shampoo bar, and you guys know how much I love Lush shampoo bars. I would happily use them for the rest of my life. They are the one product from Lush that, hands down, I have never tried a better solid shampoo bar ever than the ones from Lush, so these are my favourite. This is the Dr. Peppermint shampoo bar, and ingredients wise it has got black pepper oil, spearmint oil, peppermint oil and black pepper powder, and I'm not really sure on the kind of properties for this. Let me have a little look. So this shampoo bar is supposed to invigorate and wake up dull hair, so I'm excited to give that a try. And it smells really good. It smells like mint, obviously, but it kind of smells like a creamy mint. Like if you could get a mint, like a mint chocolate milkshake that's more mint than chocolate, that's kind of what this smells like. It's a very creamy mint. Oh, that's lovely. Okay, yeah, love this. 10 out of 10, favourite product so far. Cannot wait to use that. Love it. next up, what have we got? So the next item in the box is the King of Skin body butter. Now they used to sell this in Lush years ago, and I'm not too sure whether they sell it anymore. I think it got discontinued a while ago. I haven't seen it in there in ages, but this is beautiful. I used to be obsessed with this, but then they got Scrubby, and Scrubby in my opinion is better because it's an exfoliator, but it's kind of like Scrubby but just without the scrub, if that makes sense. So it's just a body butter. But ingredients wise, this one has got cocoa butter, fair trade bananas, oat milk, jojoba oil, almond oil, lavender oil. It's a very nice smell. It's very subtle, very light, very floral sort of, but it's not overpowering. It's very similar to a massage bar, but you just use it in the shower or in the bath. So you rub it on your skin and you just wash it off. And it's so good for this time of year because I don't know about you, but I hate moisturising myself. Like you guys will know, when I do my empties videos, I don't get through a lot of moisturisers simply because I am lazy. I would much rather use something like this in the shower. So yeah, I love that. I cannot wait to use it again. I used to absolutely love it. My fingers are super oily now, so I need to wipe that on something. The next item is the eye pads, and you guys know, again, I say this every time, I'm not a massive fan of the eye patches. I think it is because I feel vulnerable when I can't see with them on, so I think I might cut these ones in half and just use them as under eye patches. But these are the Calendula eye patches, and ingredients wise it has calendula petals, saffron, I'm not a fan of saffron, you guys all know that by now, eye bright infusion, I have no idea what that is, aloe gel, glycerin. Let's open it up and give it a smell because I don't know whether these are the ones that you get in stores or not. I can't quite remember, but I do want to give them a smell anyway. Ooh, okay, these are quite cute. They look a bit weird though. Oh, it's a sunflower. How cute. Is it sunflower? Is it a daisy? I don't have a clue. That went in my mouth. Didn't taste good. Smell wise, kind of smells like saffron. Not my favourite floral smell, however, it doesn't smell overly strong like saffron. We did have some before which were very overpowering, but these ones are not that bad. Oh, they smell lovely actually. I can't wait to use those. I love the idea of eye patches. I think I just need to make them work for me. Does that make sense? Because my eyes always feel lovely after them. I just can never keep them on long enough for it to seem worth using them. Do you know what I mean? I don't know. But yeah. Eye pads, love those. Moving on. The next item in the box is the face mask of the month, and this is the Granny Mo Naked Face Mask. Now, I do not like this already. I don't like the fact it's not in a pot because I'm holding it and it's going all over my fingers. I will be using an empty pot. I know that defeats the point, but I will be using an empty pot to put this in because to me it's just gross. I don't like it. It's just going to go mushy. Not a vibe. But ingredients wise, it has got, let's have a look, green clay, kaolin, fresh mint, ground almonds, lemon oil, cinnamon leaf oil, spinach powder, apple pulp, cocoa butter. Let's give it a smell. It smells like one we've had before. Kind of like what porridge used to smell like, but not as porridgey. Does that make any sense? It's creamy, oaty. That's the word. Kind of like a bag of oats. Like I've opened a bag of oats and I've smelled it. That's what this smells like. Like, I love the idea of this because obviously it's plastic free. It's way better for the environment. But do I love the concept of it being in my hands like this? No. So it's not my favourite, but we move on. What else is in the box? And the last item in the box is this. This is the Twilight Shift Cleansing Flannel, and it basically says that you can rub this on your skin with warm water to exfoliate the skin and to cleanse it, and that is very interesting. I thought this was going to be for makeup brushes, which I guess you probably could use it for makeup brushes actually, but I am going to try it on my face. And ingredients wise, it has got fresh white lily infusion, talc, lavender oil, ylang ylang oil, tonka absolute, blue spirulina extract, which I guess gives it the colour, cannellini beans, did I say tonka absolute? Tonka absolute. I think it's going to smell like Twilight. If it doesn't, I'm going to be so disappointed. So let's smell it together. Oh, it does. So good. Okay, I'm so glad that smells like Twilight because I'd been so disappointed. But that is really, really cute. It's a fun idea, something completely different. And yeah, I am really excited to give that a try. So this month's box, actually, Lush, you've done well. I actually am very excited about it. So that is everything for this month's Fresh and Flowers box from Lush. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, as per always, I would love to know your thoughts and opinions down below in the comments. I am incredibly impressed with this month's box, actually. I think from last month I was quite highly disappointed, I'm not gonna lie. It wasn't my favourite box. If I couldn't make that clear enough, I didn't really like it because I still have about 4 of the soaps or 3 of the soaps left, and I feel like it just wasn't very well thought out. Do you know what I mean? No one needs that many soaps, so I wasn't loving it. But this month we have got a shampoo, body oil, deodorant, eye pads, bubble bar, face mask and a cleanser. I think they really made up for it this month, so I am really impressed. So 10 out of 10 Lush. Spot on. So that is everything for this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, as we are on our way to 10,000 subscribers, and I would love to hit that this year. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. I love you guys so very much. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Goodbye. That was a really good outro. Bye guys.